Hey everybody, T-Rizz here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Meta Quest 3. I picked this up because honestly I'm really not into the gaming side as much, even though I do play some VR games, but mostly got this to play around with the AR kind of functionality, the pass-through, and kind of using that overlay, if you will. Just out of pure curiosity. So I picked this up, and I also picked up what is it here? The open facial interface. It was on sale, so I decided why not. But yeah, so this one comes with is 4K, apparently, as you can see up there, 512 gig. So I decided to do this instead of the 3S because I have the Quest 2 right now, and I wanted to move away from that style of lenses, and apparently the lenses here are what they call, I think, the pancake, so wanted to give this a shot and try something new. So here's the box. Not much to it. Got some details about the game and some other things there. Some tech specs, what's inside the box. Fun stuff. And you got some other information on the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull the tab. This tab. Okay. Oh, that's nice. All right. So then there's the Quest 3. And then there's some how to scan. So I'm just going to take the, oh, that's light. Even compared to the Quest 2, that's light. Let's move that aside temporarily. Much lighter. Again, this is not new, but it's new for me, so it'll be fun. That's nice. I'm just gonna put that to the side quickly. Not thrilled with it being on carpet, but. And then, ooh, those are much lighter, without the rings too. What are they, the hollow things? Oh, that's nice. Very nice. And let's see, is there anything else? So I'm just gonna take out the controllers, put those over here. And then, looks like there's a little something here. And it looks like here's the charger. Nice compact compared to the squared one. And then of course here's the USB-C. Charge it. As well as some instruction manuals. So, wow, this is really compact, but this is exciting. I'm really excited to boot this thing up, try it out. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and hopefully I get to use a little pass-through a little bit more in my daily life. So I'll keep you all posted, but thank you for joining. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Take care.